So it is a hot day for wearing leathers, but needs must. Very excited. I'm here for another day of motorbike training, motorcycle training, whatever you prefer. Just road training today, so straight out onto the road. Just want to get moving, it won't be too hot. Just for experience really, it's not mandatory. Just building up my experience before I get onto the formal training, which will start on Friday, towards my first test, first of 2 tests. So everything's going well so far, loving it. Definitely becoming an obsession very quickly. I'm already buying lots of different bits of kit and things for when I eventually do get a bike. Yeah, all going well, and going to enjoy a nice bank holiday Monday ride. Hopefully there won't be too much traffic. See you soon.